in the delightful breeze. Karachi embraces another summer. The ancient and mysterious city has sat beside the deep blue water for a millennium. It is the construction of a new power plant that has wakened her up and brought vitality to the port Qasim. On April 20, 2015, Chinese President Xi Jinping and Pakistan's then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif witnessed the signing of IA, PPA, and other agreements for Port Qasim coal-fired power plant held and invested by POWERCHINA Resources Limited, which officially indicated the implementation of the first energy project under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Agha, a native Pakistani, graduating from NED University of Engineering and Technology with an electrical engineering major 1 year ago, became one of the first 100 operation and maintenance employees selected by Port Qasim coal-fired power plant out of 16,000 peer graduates. For Agha, the plant is the wonderland where his dreams unveil. Port Qasim coal-fired power plant is jointly developed by POWERCHINA Resource Limited and Mirqab Capital with a total investment value of USD 2.085 billion. The plant comprises two 660 megawatt supercritical coal-fired units with an annual output of 9,000 gigawatt, which is vital to relieve the dire energy shortage in Pakistan. Since the commencement of the project, POWERCHINA Resource Limited has achieved financial close in a few months. In August 2015, as the first concrete poured into this barren saline alkali soil, the development of Pakistan's power industry ushered in a new chapter. In the autumn of 2016, Agha, together with other Pakistani employees, arrived at Chongshin Power Plant in China. The dream of Agha is to learn techniques and work in Port Qasim coal-fired power plant, while his POWERCHINA colleagues are striving to build a high-quality power plant that can bring light to 4 million Pakistani families. When casting the landmark project in the development of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, POWERCHINA has given full play of its unique advantage in proficiency of water and power sector, industry leadership in overall planning, design and construction, and strong capabilities of investment and operation. By integrating the whole industry chain from design, supervision, construction to operation, the company promoted the whole power industry to go global and explored overseas markets. The mighty construction team of Port Qasim coal-fired power plant consists of outstanding POWERCHINA subsidiaries, including SEPCO 3 as EPC contractor of power plant, Hebei Electric Power Design and Research Institute as the designer, Shanghai Power Supervision and Consultancy Company Limited, and Henan Electric Power Survey and Design Institute undertaking supervision and consulting work, and Sino Hydro Harbour Company Limited as the EPC contractor of the jetty and channel. The development of Port Qasim coal-fired power plant under diversified ownership based on market mechanism enhances POWERCHINA's experience in overseas energy investment cooperation. The high humidity, intense heat, and thick salt fog climate of Karachi in summer poses a stern test for the construction and anti-corrosion work. Under the temperature of nearly 50 degrees Celsius, in only 3 months, our constructors completed pouring and anti-corrosion work of nearly 6,000 pieces of pile foundations. Adopting the 4-in-1 construction management mode, Port Qasim project was elaborately controlled during the whole construction progress. All milestones, including backcharging, were completed successfully at the first attempt, and POWERCHINA speed is thus created. On December 28, 2015, Pakistan's then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif inspected the project site and praised Port Qasim project as #1 project in Pakistan. Not far from the plant, the world's largest dry mangrove forest is growing on the sea, forming a rare and independent ecology, guided by the POWERCHINA's concept of scientific and green development. Port Qasim coal-fired power plant applied secondary seawater circulating and cooling system, seawater desalinization, limestone gypsum flue gas desulfurization process, and other advanced technologies to comply with Pakistan and international environmental protection standards. Today is the anniversary for Agha and his peers graduating from the training programs in China. For them, studying in China is not only a crucial turning point of their life, but also a brand new start for the economic development of their hometown. It makes him more proud that more compatriots like him are joining the big family of Port Qasim coal-fired power plant. In order to improve livelihood of local people and create more job opportunities, POWERCHINA employed numerous Pakistanis for jobs such as machinery operation, engineering construction, administration, and logistics. During the construction peak period, there are over 4,000 Pakistanis working on the site. They have exerted their wisdoms and perspirations along with thousands of their POWERCHINA colleagues in the glorious construction progress of Port Qasim coal-fired power plant. From the top of boiler number 1 of the Port Qasim coal-fired power plant, you can get a full view of the shoal of the Qasim port. Through intensive steel frames, as Agha said, he can see the beautiful coastline of Arabian Sea. In the heart of every constructor of the Port Qasim coal-fired power plant project lies an amazing coastline with blazing wisdom and passion, which is always blue in depth, no matter how the weather changes, for the blue sky wandering above of China-Pakistan economic corridor all the time.